So we're going to install the Supco 3-in-1 start on domestic refrigerator.
Lots of earthquake cam reaction. Pop the cover off to get to your electronic controls for the compressor. Okay. It's pretty easy. See how you got to run common to start, and your 2 nuts for wire nuts, and hot and your neutral for power. Verify on a schematic you run common and start so you can wire it up right. You pull those parts off. So we have it unplugged so we can not get electrocuted. So those go popped off because your components here went bad. You see there, run common start. This has those special little terminals there that'll slide right onto that. And that's all I got to do to install it.